We're here today at the Fairfax County Government Center to celebrate Fairfax Recycles Day. So it's a day for us to increase our awareness of recycling in our community, invite the kids out, invite our residents to come and ask questions to our recycling experts. For our event today, we've got a number of different activities, so you can nibble on some popcorn, you can ask experts questions about recycling, you can play games. We have somewhat of a contest where you guess how many glass bottles are in a container. And we also have a touch-a-truck where youngsters or even adults can jump behind the wheel of one of these trucks behind me, pull the horn, and really experience what it would be like to be a driver in one of our jobs doing waste management in the community. So events like this and Fairfax Recycles Day are important to our community because it gives us an opportunity to kind of refresh, re-energize, and refocus on recycling and good recycling behaviors. For more information about recycling, please visit our website.